In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve the non-descriptive link content error often found in web accessibility audits. This is a crucial task for ensuring that all users, including those relying on screen readers, can effectively navigate your website. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, we need to identify and select the link element that is triggering this error. Generally, these link elements are represented by icons, such as social media links on your web page. It's important to visually inspect your web page to find any icon or link that might be the culprit. Once you've located the link, simply click on it to select it. This part is about ensuring you're working with the exact element that needs correction. Next, direct your attention to the right-hand panel where you'll manage the settings for this element. Look out for the panel that usually holds a settings icon, and once you've spotted it, click on it to open up the element settings. This panel is your control center, where you can adjust various properties of the link to enhance its functionality and accessibility. Now, focus on adding a custom attribute. Scroll down through the options in the settings until you locate the section labeled Custom Attributes. You'll see a plus icon indicating the ability to add a new attribute. Go ahead and click that plus icon. Custom attributes are essential because they allow you to add additional semantics to your HTML elements, improving how assistive technologies interpret your page. We have to create a new attribute called ARIA label. In the input field for name, type in ARIA label without the quotes. This attribute provides an accessible name to the link, making it descriptive for users who cannot see the screen. In the value field, type a brief, clear, and descriptive destination as indicated by the link's functionality. For instance, if the link is a social media icon, your value should match what platform it represents, like Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube. This description is crucial as it will be read by screen readers, providing context to users about what clicking the link will do. The final step is to verify that your fix works as intended. After you've added the ARIA label attribute with its value, revisit the audit panel to check if the non-descriptive link content error has been resolved. If the error no longer appears, then you've successfully improved the accessibility of your web page. Congratulations! You've taken an important step towards making your website more accessible and user-friendly. Remember, these small changes make a big difference in ensuring all users have a seamless experience navigating your content. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from these tips.